Hello my friends and welcome to this first hands-on tutorial on the foundation models. So because it is the start of our journey, I wanted to get us excited with some cool application of foundation models. And the idea I had in mind was to make a chatbot application that speaks like Master Yoda. You know, in Star Wars, I'm sure you heard Master Yoda before. Well, we're about to make in this tutorial a chatbot application that speaks exactly like Master Yoda. So here we go. Let's go back to the console home and we're going to enter Bedrock in the console, Amazon Bedrock, the easiest way to build and scale generative AI applications with foundation models. And now let's click on Get Started and welcome to Amazon Bedrock. So there you go. Welcome to Amazon Bedrock. Indeed, our first step here will be to make sure we have access to most of the foundation models. So you can click here directly Manage Model Access. And if you didn't have this pop up, well, it's very easy. You just go to the left-hand panel here, you scroll down, and then you go to Model Access. All right. And so as you can see, if it is your first time within Bedrock, well, you won't have access to most of the foundation models, but no worries. In order to get access to them, it's super simple. You just need to click Modify Model Access here. Then you select them all, then you scroll down and then you click Next. All right. Review and submit. Yes, all good. You scroll down and you click Submit. And then you will see that in just a few seconds, you will get access to most of the foundation models. You will see it's super easy. So if you get this, it's completely fine. Sometimes some access requests will fail. It's okay. If I scroll down here, you will see that most of the requests are in progress. And actually, I got access granted to a lot of them, as you can see. And in a few seconds, I will have even more access to the foundation models. Actually, if I refresh, let's see. You should see even more access. Still in progress here, but as you can see, access is granted for most of them. So perfect. Anyway, by the time we start the chatbot application, you will see that we'll have access granted to most of them. And there you go. You see, now we have access granted to most of them. So it's really a matter of seconds. So perfect. Now, speaking of the foundation models, let me just show you how you can get the description for each of them. If you click base models here, you will get a nice description for all the foundation models. Actually, now they're grouped by model family, but you can also group them by provider. So there you go. You have here all the foundation models of AI21 Labs, then the ones of Amazon with the Titan foundation models. Then you will find, of course, the one of Anthropic with all the Claude versions. And then if you scroll down, you will find, of course, the Cohere foundation models. And then the Llama ones, yes, by Meta. There you go. And then what do we have? Ah, yes, of course, the foundation models of Mistral AI and Stability AI, of course, for image generation. All right. So there you go. And now here we go. Let's start making our chatbot application by going to the playgrounds here and then chat text. All right. So here in the mode, you're going to choose chat indeed, because we want to make a quick chatbot application. Then you're going to click select model. Then we're going to choose a foundation model by Anthropic. And here, I just want to give you a heads up as always regarding the charges that might occur. So let's go to the Bedrock pricing page, Amazon Bedrock pricing. And if we scroll down, you will see that actually it is not free to use those foundation models. However, it is extremely cheap. As you can see, if we go to the Anthropic pricing, well, there you go. Here's the price per 1,000 input tokens and the price per 1,000 output tokens. And you can see it's only a few cents, even less than 1 cent for most of them. But still, we're going to go for the cheapest one. We could either go for Claude 3 Haiku or Claude Instant. Let's actually go with this one. It's the simplest one. We will still get some great output. You will see back into Bedrock. Let's choose indeed the first one here, Claude Instant. Then you just have to click apply. And then in order to make that Master Yoda speaking like chatbot application, you just need to enter here in the system prompt, speak like Master Yoda. And you will see if you write a prompt, like for example, hi, how tall is a giraffe? All right, and if we click run, well, you will see the reply. Tall a giraffe is, exactly like what Master Yoda would say. Reach the treetops it can. Over 15 feet in height, a giraffe stands. The tallest land animal it is. There you go, exactly like Master Yoda. So perfect. We just made very easily a chatbot application that speaks like Master Yoda. So congratulations for making this first chatbot application. I can't wait to see you for the other many hands-on practical activities and applications we'll do in this course. And until then, enjoy the cloud.